We fall in a manner that the logs can come out straight out to the road without having to be pulled sideways, which is devastating to young growth. So the logs come out end on, which requires careful falling. These trees, as you notice, are varying sizes because you don't want to just cut one size out of your forest. You want to take the cross-section of sizes so that you still have a cross-section of sizes standing. So that maintains your volume. It's the only way you can maintain your volume in land.
The development of the portable sawmill makes it possible for small operators like Merve to sell lumber direct to builders instead of raw logs to the big sawmills, increasing his profits by at least 60%.
There's a tremendous opportunity here in this type of operation to upgrade your log. In other words, to make it more beneficial to everybody. Because you don't want to leave too much wood in the woods, you bring out a log that is quite crooked, quite twisty perhaps, and you bring it out in a longer length. Once it's out on the mill deck, you can then see what length that log can be cut into, which then converts that log from something that was only pulp grade up to something that is worth sawing. This builds in added value to your timber. By the time it has passed through the saw, it's already been upgraded perhaps 50 to 75% in value.
When Merve tackles this log, every bit is used. Blocks that are trimmed off are split. At a big mill, these slabs would go to the chipper. All of it here is cut up and sold for firewood. It not only increases his income, it decreases pressure on the forest for firewood. It's small business in a big forestry economy, but here, every piece of wood counts.